The ST connector. ST stands for straight tip connector. The ST connector uses a bayonet twist lock mechanism, which means you simply insert the connector and twist it to lock it securely into place. This design provides a strong and stable fiber optic connection. Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. The white ferrule, measuring 2.5 millimeters, precisely aligns the optical fiber for accurate signal transmission. The connector body contains the twist lock slots, while the crimp sleeve firmly secures the fiber cable. At the rear, the boot protects the cable from bending and reduces strain. ST connectors were widely used in older LAN and WAN networks and are still commonly found in industrial facilities in legacy communication systems. Although they are less common in today's high-density fiber networks, they remain a durable, reliable, and trusted solution for many specialized applications. SC connector. SC stands for Subscriber Connector. The SC connector uses a push-pull locking mechanism, making installation fast, simple, and secure. Unlike ST connectors, it doesn't require twisting, just push to connect and pull to disconnect. Its 2.5 millimeter ceramic ferrule ensures accurate fiber alignment and low signal loss, while the latch provides a stable connection, and the boot protects the cable from bending. SC connectors are widely used in data centers, telecommunications, FTTH, or fiber to the home, and enterprise networks because they offer high reliability, easy installation, and excellent performance. LC connector. LC stands for Lucent Connector. The LC connector is a small form-factor fiber optic connector designed for high-density networks. Its compact size allows more ports to fit into switches, routers, and patch panels, making it ideal for modern networking environments. It features a 1.25 millimeter ceramic ferrule for precise fiber alignment, a push-pull latch for secure locking, and a protective boot that reduces cable strain and bending. LC connectors are widely used in data centers, telecommunication networks, enterprise networks, and fiber-to-the-home installations because they provide high performance, low signal loss, and reliable connections. MT. MT stands for Mechanical Transfer Connector. It is a multi-fiber connector that carries multiple optical fibers in a single connector, making it perfect for high-density and high-bandwidth networks. The MT connector features a secure locking mechanism, precision ferrule, and a durable housing for reliable performance. It is commonly used in data centers, backbone cabling, cloud networks, and other high-speed fiber optic applications. What are SFP, SFP+, and XFP transceivers? SFP, SFP+, and XFP are hot-swappable transceivers used to connect network devices to fiber optic cables. SFP supports speeds up to 1 gigabit per second, while SFP Plus and XFP support up to 10 gigabits per second. They convert electrical signals into optical signals and back, allowing fast and reliable fiber communication. These modules are commonly used in network switches, routers, servers, media converters, and telecom systems to provide high-speed data transmission. This is an RJ45 connector, the standard used for Ethernet networking. It connects Ethernet cables to devices like switches, routers, computers, IP cameras, and servers. The connector features gold-plated pins for reliable data transfer, a locking tab for a secure connection, and a strain relief boot to protect the cable from bending. It uses the T568B pinout standard with 8 pins for data transmission. To install it, arrange the wires in the correct order, insert them into the connector, and crimp it using an RJ45 crimping tool. RJ45 connectors are widely used in LAN networks for fast and stable communication.